In today's video, we're going to look at how to connect an MOB2 AIS beacon to the Ocean Signal app using NFC. Firstly, you'll need to install the app and create an account. If you're using an iPhone, head straight to the App Store and search up Ocean Signal. Then, click Sign In or Sign Up and enter your details. Once you've signed up or logged in, select the product you're looking to connect, in this case Beacon, then click Connect. Your phone will then show that it is starting to scan. Take your MOB2 and hold it against the back of your phone where the NFC chip is located. You might need to move it slightly until your phone detects it. Remember, no Wi-Fi or data is needed. NFC works whilst offline, which is perfect when you are without a signal. Once your phone is connected to the MOB2, it is strongly recommended that if you have a DSC enabled VHF radio, that you program your vessel's MMSI number into your MOB2 for testing purposes only. The app will instantly pull up your MOB2 serial number, battery status and service date, as well as information like number of tests remaining and whether tests have been successful or have failed. You can save the device in the app for future checks.
Yeah, so Ocean Signal have got a free app you just download, which links to your, not just the MOB, the MOB2, but I think it also links to their other bits of safety kit.
The Ocean Signal app can also be used with all other NFC enabled devices, such as the Ocean Signal EPIRB3 and the Ocean Signal PLB3.
It connects very simply to your phone, and it keeps all your data, so you've got all your information in here. Previously there's a computer program which worked well, but you did need a laptop. Then you need some connection, etc., to link it to your previous devices, the predecessors, so this is simpler. Main thing, putting in your MMSI number, which you can then edit. So this is my vessel number, but if you're going on a friend's boat, or you're doing a delivery, or you're on another boat for a period of time, you then can edit it very simply, put their MMSI number in. Also remember to change it back to your own vessel when you get back, but that works well. And then you can go into your stats. It'll give you your battery condition, how many tests you've done. You're limited to 10 of the AIS tests, the GN SS tests, because it uses a bit of battery each time. So it's 10 over its lifetime, so you have to be careful not to overdo it. But yeah, it keeps all that information in here. Yeah, just very handy.